Hey, welcome to my channel. This video is going to be about how to open up the safety barrel on a Waltham made pocket watch. Now, I've seen this question come up a few times on some Facebook groups, so I decided I'd make a video on how I do it. So let's get started. So first thing we got to do is let the tension off of the mainspring. What I'm doing is unwinding it. I take that little piece of wood that's on the left, and it's a piece of pegwood, and I push in on the click, and I have a bench tool that I'm controlling the unwinding of it so it doesn't unwind real fast and do any damage. So this is a Ball Waltham pocket watch. But Waltham used the same safety barrel in their other watch, their high-grade watches such as the Vanguard and the Crescent Street. This is the model 1899. Well, now that the mainspring's let down, let's start taking it apart. I'm going to take the screw out of the winding wheel. Remove the winding wheel with my tweezers, setting it aside. This is the ratchet wheel. Well, let's remove that and set it aside. Next, we're removing the screws that I've already unscrewed that hold down the cover plate. We pick that up with our little tweezers and set it aside. Now we can get to our safety barrel. So let's pull it out carefully using our tweezers again. Now I want to compare a regular barrel to the safety barrel and how I open the regular barrel. There's two ways you can do this. You can open that barrel. You can take a small screwdriver and stick it in that little slot and pop it up. But I don't like doing that way because you could bend the cover and scratch it up. I prefer to push down on it on a hard surface and it'll pop right off. That way you don't damage anything, and it's really a safe way to do it. Okay, now we got that out of the way. Now we're going to work on our safety barrel. We're going to work on opening it up so we can get to the mainspring. So the method I use, some people use a different method. They use a penknife and attach it to the shaft and unscrew it that way, but I find the easiest way for me is to put the winding wheel back on top of the safety barrel and put the screw that held it on and put it back on to the shaft and tighten it down. Now the shaft is a threaded shaft, and that's why it doesn't pop apart like the regular barrel. So what we do is we just take the safety barrel in our hands, grasp that winding wheel, and turn it counterclockwise. And as we turn it, it unscrews the shaft inside the barrel. And there we have it. It's apart. We've got the shaft out, and now we can open up our barrel. there's a small piece that's in the bottom of it that you want to be very careful and not drop that and lose it. Now, when you go to put it back together, you just do it in reverse order. You take your barrel cover, place it in the center of your mainspring and push it in so it locks in. Then you take your winding gear with your shaft and insert that in the center of it and spin it clockwise and tighten it down. And there you go. You have your mainspring barrel, your safety barrel, all put back together, ready to go back in your watch. So I really hope this video helped you out with how to take apart a safety barrel. And if you liked it, please hit the like button and also subscribe so you'll get notifications of more pocket watch videos that I'll be putting up.